students. Today I am going to discuss the question answers of chapter 1 standard 6 SS, and today is the fifth lecture of this chapter. Standard 6 SS chapter 1, and today is the fifth lecture. Okay, first question means 9 questions we have already discussed, and today is the next one question means that is 10th number. Which subject in social science? Which subject in social science gives us the past information about human life? Okay, which part of the social science? Which part of the social science gives information about human life? Past information about human life. Which part? Okay, geography? No. Political science? No. What is that? History. Okay, so history. Which part? History in social science gives us the past information about human life. Once again I repeat, which subject in social science? In social science we have many parts: history, geography, economics, political science, many things are there. Okay, so which part gives information? History. The answer is history in social science. History in social science give us the past information about human life. Okay, my dear student, if you want to know present, it is necessary to have the knowledge of past. Okay, if you want to know about the present, today's time, it is necessary to have the knowledge of past. Okay, so which subject in social science gives us the past information about human life? So answer is here. History in social science gives us the past information about human life. Got it? Next question. By which two names? By which two names is our country known? We are living in India now. Okay. So by which two names? Okay. By which two names? By which two names is our country known? આપણો દેશ કયા બે નામથી ઓળખાય છે? ઓકે, ભારત એન્ડ ઇન્ડિયા ના. ઓકે, so by which two names our country known? Answer: our country is known. Our country is known by the two names. By the two names of kaya kaya? India and Bharat. India and Bharat. We know the word India comes from the river Indus, and Bharat it's a one tribe caste people. Okay, and at last they settled in northwest area na. So by two names, India and Bharat. Our country is known by the two names of India and Bharat. Okay, next question. Which informations are available on the basis of coins? If you have coin, okay, if you have coin, so which informations are there? Okay, in today's time, when you see the coin, you will find our emblem, symbol of Indian emblem. There you will find certain things are written. Okay, value of the coin, in which year it was minted, that is also written. So many informations are given in today's coin. But at that time, when different kings they were ruling, at that time, during his period, when new coins were minted, at that time they were writing the name of the king, his period, about culture, society, I mean social life, okay, religion. So many informations were given. Okay, so if you get old coins, which kind of information you will get? Okay, which informations are available on the basis of coins? On coin, which informations are through coins? Which kind of information we can get? Okay, through coins, which kind of information we can get? Here I have written 2 points. Okay, number 1, On the basis of coins, on the basis of coins, the information about the king's name. Okay, the king, he was writing his name. Okay, his photograph, maybe his photograph, his queen's photograph, or maybe something else. Okay, so we were getting information about king's name. Okay, about the king's name. Second one, his religion. Okay, culture, and the period of his time. He was belong to which era, period. Okay, so we can get information from coins about king's name, his religion, culture, and of which period he was belong to. Okay, during his period he ruled over. Okay, second thing, about social, religious, political, and economic informations are also available from the coins. Okay, we are getting information about king's name. Okay, then his religion, culture, and the period of his era, time. Okay, next point, social, religious, political, and economic information are also available from the coins. Got it? Next, where did the group of people of Bharat settle in India? Okay, group of people of Bharat settle in India. Okay, they settle in northwest. They settle at northwest area. Okay, so the group of people of Bharat settled in northwest of India. Where? Which area? Northwest area of India. Okay. And next question. With which chronology? Chronology means in order. Okay. One by one. Okay. That's why the word chronicle is come. According to the means of one by one. That is called chronology. Chronicle. Okay. With which chronology has the time of the world been associated? Which kind of time the world has accepted? Okay, when we consider about anything. Okay, when we arrange everything about which chronology, one by one. Okay, so with which chronology has the time of the world been associated? So the time of the world has been associated. Once again, I repeat, the time of the world has been associated with the birth of Christ. With the birth of Christ. Christ means Jesus Christ. Okay? Why? Because most of the countries means many countries, okay, where they are the Christianity is spread everywhere and they are following this thing. Okay, the Christ era. That's why we can say the time of the world. The time of the world has been associated with the birth of Christ. That's why we are using the word BC, before Christ. Okay, and AD. AD means Anno Domino. Anno Domino means after the birth of Christ. Dear student, my next question is, why should we study history? Why should we study history? શા માટે આપણે ઇતિહાસ ભણવાનો છે? Okay, history gives us information about our ancestors. Okay, our past. That's why we have to learn. Okay, so question is, why should we study history? શા માટે આપણે ઇતિહાસ ભણવાનો છે? Why should? Okay, answer. First point. History gives us information. History gives us information about past of human society. History gives us information about our past. Okay, past of human society means our past. Okay, it also gives information. Okay, it means we also get informations about our ancestors, આપણા પૂર્વજો. Ancestor means પૂર્વજો. We also get information about our ancestors Their dwelling means staying. To dwell means rehu. Okay. It also we also get information अथवा history also gives information about our ancestors, their dwelling, their food, etc. Okay, how they were living, which kind of food they are eating, okay, edibles. Okay, so history gives us information about our past, also gives information about ancestors. It is written here about their dwelling and food. Okay, it also gives us information about the customs and beliefs, diet and dress of human life of many ages. Okay, when many changes were made. Okay, at the origin time, our ancestors, our purvajos, they were not using this kind of clothes. Okay, they were covering their body with either leaf or maybe bark. Okay, but when the time is changed, okay, they use different kind of things in order to cover their body. Okay, earlier they were eating different things, raw material, kacha. Now we are eating different edibles. Okay, backed one. Okay, at that time they were staying in a caves. Nowadays we are staying in a house, and also facility, we have good facility of AC, fridge, everything. Okay, at that time it was not there. So when time is changed, we have changed the facilities. So in different ages, now take the example, 50 years back something, 50 years back something, very few people they were having AC, fridge, TV, even four wheeler. But nowadays it's a necessity. Okay, so we know. Okay, when time is changed, our customs, our style, okay, lifestyle is also changed. That's why it is said, it also gives the information about the customs and beliefs, diet and dress of human life of many ages. Okay, so we should study history to know the past of human life. In order to know about past, it is necessary to study history, because history gives information about our past. Once again I repeat the whole answer. History gives us information about the past of human society. We also get information about our ancestors, their dwelling and their food, etc. It also gives us the information about the customs and beliefs, diet and dress of human life of many ages. So, because of that, we should study history to know the past of human life, and that is why we have to learn history. Okay. Now, next question is give reason. Okay. In ancient time, the kings they were writing inscription, na inscription. So kings carved inscription in ancient times. Why they were writing on stone or pillar? Okay, why? Give reason. Kings carved inscription in ancient times. Give reason. Why they were writing? Because if you write on a paper, after 1 day or 2 day or maybe 6 months or 1 year, you will throw. It will be destroyed. Okay, but if you write anything on wall or maybe on stone, it lasts for whole year, many years. To last means rehu. Okay, last નો in अर्थ છેલ્લો નથી અહીંયા કરી. Lasting means it's a verb. Okay, it's not a grammar period, but still I have to explain. Lasting means it remains for a long time. Okay, that is called lasting. Okay, so if anything is written on stone, it will remain for a long time, na. That's why. Okay, so when any victories take place or any orders are there, if they want to converse with people, they write the things on stone. That is called inscription. Okay, now first point, in ancient times kings got their orders when they were ordering. carved for conversing with people. Okay, when they give order for the people, these things were written on stones, so people they can read. Okay, so in ancient times, kings got their orders carved for conversing with people. Conversing means vartalap. Okay, they inscribe the information. Kings, okay, they means kings inscribe the information, sorry, inscription gives the information of their kingdom, victories, religion and culture on stone. Okay, so when and I'll take the example when I explained already about the inscription of Ashoka. Inscription of Ashoka. Okay, because after the battle of Kalinga, his life was changed. He said no more war and he followed non-violence, and that is written in inscription. Okay, so they inscribe the information of their kingdom, victories, religion and culture on stones. Next, the writings written on this inscription, the writing written on this inscription have been long lasting. They are remain for a long time. Okay, that's why thus in ancient times, that is why in olden days the kings carved inscription. They were writing things, okay, on stone. That is called inscription. Got it? Again I repeat, in ancient times kings got their orders carved for conversing with people. Number one. Number two, they inscribe the information of their kingdom, victories, religion and culture on stones. Third thing, the writings written on this inscription have been long lasting. They remain for a long time. Okay, and that is why thus in ancient time, in olden days, the kings carved inscriptions. Okay, next time we will learn more question answer. Thank you.